Okay, what I want to do is I want to just go over where we left off from last time. Just go over about how we control the structure of the Poon Sau. Alright, so after the interception of the hand here, we enter into the roll. So if I take this position, say as the contact point here, I want to get the roll. So what I want Luke to do is match me for that roll. Okay, so what's going to happen is that if you go past that line there, I'm going to enter into your space there. So what happens, the first thing we decide is that where's the point at where we drop the cycle. The cycle drops from this position here, which is the shoulder line. So if Luke drops down from this position, if you drop it slowly but maintain the gong on me, what he's going to find is that I'm not going to be able to push his hand across laterally. Yes? So bring that down, and then turn the body, and then throw it again. Alright? That's it. Now bring it down. So if you have it too far, I'm going to be able to control that bridge. Alright? So when we drop it down, we need to drop it down on the shoulder line. Yes? So when you push it down here, he can put the pressure on there. Put the pressure on, it's not going to bring it across. Yes? So for me, when you drop that hand, it cannot be in that line there, because that allows me to come over from there. Okay, so just keep on going until we get it right. Slow down. Okay. So what we're trying to achieve here, we're trying to achieve what we call a cycle. So rather than me just have one roll and then stop there, what I want to do is that I want to carry on the flow. So I want to carry on the flow. Once it comes down, what I'm doing is that I'm controlling the other person's bridge. Doesn't matter what pressure he's going to put on me from here, I'm going to control that roll so I can move for the second time. What I don't want is when you're throwing a roll, just to let go of the energy there and then start again, because when you let go, you're going to lose the gong on the other person. So the first thing is that when the punch comes in, we're with control, we're going to take the gong straight away, and then we're going to throw, and depending on what we get from here, depends on where we move from this roll. If there's pressure on this roll here, then you can use the bong to bring it across. So if we just play the roll, and I start putting the pressure in, can you see straight away where you want to drop that roll at this point rather than that point. So keep on doing it. Now can you see from here, the elbow is in. When the elbow is in, it allows me to take that spine or the center. So open that right up, that's it. Open it right up. So once that elbow comes out, it's hard for me to find the other person's center. So where he drops his hand is also going to be very important. Does that make sense? Okay. So when we look at the form, we've got two cycles. We're either going to be on the inside or we're going to be on the outside. When you're on the outside, what you have is the woo, foot, woo. So if I'm on the outside, say throws a punch again, there's the interception. I've got from here the woo, foot, woo. So if we just do the woo, foot, woo roll, just get used to the roll. Now you can see what's happening from here. Because Luke's got a structure there, when I'm pressing down on that position, it's not going to collapse. So what he does here is going to be important, because as he brings that hand down, I'm going to put extra pressure on him to try break his structured flow. So keep on going. That's it. So if I put extra pressure, right, try not to lean across, stay centered, that's it, okay? Hold that position, hold the elbow position. Now you can keep on rolling without me influencing him. If you can get that structured flow going, that's it. Slow it down here, bring it down. Alright, and press it out. Okay, similarly, if he's got the pressure on me here and he's on the outside, I'm going to open the position and I'm going to start rolling. So if he doesn't bring the hand down quick enough, okay, I'm going to have that opening to the other person there. So I'm looking up from the outside. What I want to do is that I want to get the roll to be continuous, but keep that gong onto him. So there's no point within the roll where I'm just going to let go of the energy. Okay, right, any questions so far? No? Okay, so just as a recap, what I want you guys to do is get used to having the structured flow on the inside where you do not have a break in the flow. And if you can, try not to have a break in the gong as well. So when we're pushing this hand here, get the other person, okay, just to put gentle pressure, otherwise I don't want you damaging your shoulder if you haven't got it unlocked, okay? So I want you to continue the pressure onto me as you can put lateral pressure onto me here. If it's too much, then I'm going to go into the bonsai, okay? So if you just push the pressure down, you should be able to open it up comfortably. From here, make sure you hit your 45. Just turn ever so slightly to the 45, continue the roll. Bring it down from here, and then continue the roll, all right? So that's from the inside. Now, for those who are familiar and you're okay with this, flip over to the outside while you're in the inside. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to roll the hand over to the outside and then continue the flow from here. Again, do not let the other person's center go from this position because I'm keeping the gong on you. Keep going. Even if he wants to put the pressure up, there's no point at where he can get that energy back to my center because I'm pushing the energy into his center. Yes? If you don't have your shoulders unlocked and you don't have that elbow floating, you're not going to be able to deal with the energy. Okay? Any questions? Okay, have a go.